This is my triocular platinum stem cell eye mask created using my phased formula approach. The latest buzzwords I hear all the time in the clinic from my clients is how do I look less tired? How do I erase signs of fatigue? How do I look fresher? The area that really shows tiredness is the eye area. So I wanted to create something that would really challenge these signs of demanding lifestyles, the hectic pace of life. And so I wanted to create a mask that was super powered, but would work in two different ways, give you an instant fix, but also power up your skincare regime. These eye masks have been created combining shape, design, formulation, material to create an eye mask that is completely and utterly unique. So I thought I'd share with you some of the journey behind the scenes of the renders and designs and how we actually got to the platinum stem cell eye mask. So it started off something like this. So looking at the under eye and just above the eyelid, just on the eyelid. Gradually you can see the shape evolved and it changed as I was looking at people's eyes and looking at the skin and really using our face to formula approach. And sort of evolved from this actually through some sketches. These are some sketches that I did in a meeting where we were talking about how to get that perfect shape, and by now you can see it's evolved into a triocular mask. We've got 3 different areas. It then evolved into, okay, face to formula, we need to work with some of our lovely faces in the office. And so actually drawing on the face to create this unique shape. And you can just see here, this is almost what the mask is. As you've seen, the design and shape is like no other, so let's take a look. You'll open your sachet and inside you'll find a tray with 2 of the masks. So you just take off the lid of the tray, and inside you'll find a white protective film. If you just remove that from the mask, it's the side that's attached to the film is the side that you want to actually put onto your eye, directly onto the skin, because it has a special textured material to adhere to the skin. And then you take your mask, you'll see it has these 3 layers, and you just smooth over the brow onto the most structured part of the face. And then you smooth the second piece just onto the eyelid where all that crepiness and slackening and folding comes. And then your third piece of your triocular mask goes underneath, which is probably what you're more familiar with from masks. You'll also notice as well when it's on the face that actually the mask comes right out almost to the hairline, because we wanted to really focus on the crow's feet. This amazing hydrogel mask is also impregnated with some incredible active high performance ingredients. The platinum matrix is actually a precious platinum metal which is combined with collagen boosting peptides to really deliver into the skin, and that's all about that redensifying, plumping, tightening for the eye area. We've also got 2 other peptides, iceril and epipulse. You've got 3 peptides in this mask, and also a stem cell from the sea fennel plant, which actually works really well on lightening some of those areas of dark circles and pigmentation. And in addition to that, of course, masses of hydration. We've got a hyperhyaluronic complex which really pumps up the hydration in the area. So this is our triocular platinum stem cell eye mask filled with tons of fantastic active ingredients to really target signs of fatigue, tiredness and aging around the eyes.